Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add sound effect to your projects with InVideo. So you can access studio.invideo.io. Don't forget to sign up with your account. You can sign up with the Google account. And here we go. You can upload your media, drop your image and video here. Then you can drag and drop on this canvas. So you can click your project or your video, and in order to add sound effect, you can access music option on the sidebar here. You can click as FX or sound effects. So don't worry, this is a royalty free. So you can add alarms, ambient, animals, and so on here. So the last one is the glass. So just simply click. Then there are a ton of sound effect that you can add here. So feel free to try to add sound effects to your projects in InVideo. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also hit the text button below. See you in the next video.